guys, so I see a lot of people that are afraid to run E50 or don't know quite how. Well, the Explorer runs roughly a 20-gallon tank. It's like 20.1 gallon tank. So roughly to get an E50, make sure you're going to mix E85 and 93. So you're going to do about half and half. So with this, you're going to do roughly about 10 gallons of E85 to 10 gallons of 93. To test the E85 to make sure you got E85, you get these little test tubes. You can see that there's numbers 70 all the way up to 95%. You're going to fill the water line to here, and then we're going to take the E85. Just going to fill up this little water bottle real quick.
Stop inside and grab a cold, refreshing Mountain Dew Major Melon.
That should be good. Gotta put that back into the Explorer because we're going to be doing that. Now this kit, my buddy Michael let me borrow it, which is really nice of him. We got some races coming up on Sunday. Shout out to Frank who gave me his spot because he got rear-ended in his ST.
Stop inside and grab a cold, refreshing
So he let me take his spot for this event. And we're just going to fill it all the way up to that red line right above the 95% with the E85. Right there. Alright, we'll put this down and put that back in the box. We'll put the lid back on. You're going to want to shake it. Alright, and then it's going to settle. And wherever that line settles from the water and the ethanol not mixing, that'll let you know your ethanol percentage. So you can see it settling. It's going down. Down. Man, and this gas station is pretty spot on. Roughly, I'd say E84. We're just gonna call it E85. This stuff is pretty dang spot on. You can see the water line. You'll see the line difference. But that's all settled. And that's how you test your ethanol percentage. These kits, I think, run roughly 50, 60 bucks. It looks a little sketch, doesn't really take much time at the gas station. So now I'm going to put in on my calculator, I can show you what app I use, and the calculate exactly how to get an E50 mixture in the Ford Explorer.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go to the bottom side of my screen here. You see the ethanol blend, it's the E85, this little blue app. Click on it. There's a couple calculators in the thing that you can buy or get for free. I don't remember if this one was free or it cost me a couple dollars. You know, we're going to go in here and go to gas tank size. It's 20.2 gallon tank is what is the Explorer ST size is. The gasoline ethanol percentage is what ethanol percentage is in 93. Should roughly be 10%, so we're just going to put 10. E85 ethanol percentage, like I said, I showed y'all how to test it. We're going to put 85. Our target ethanol mix is going to be E50, so we're going to put 50 in there. Current fuel percentage, we're going to say about 40%. Because we were just shy of half a tank, like a little bit, maybe like not quite a quarter tank, not quite half a tank, a little bit more towards the top. So anyways, I'd say roughly about 40%. And so our current ethanol mix, we were only on 93, so we only had 10% ethanol mix. You know, nothing crazy. And so we're going to click that, calculate, and right here. So this is going to show you what to pump. We're going to pump 10.77 gallons of E85 and then 1.35 gallons of 93, and that would get you an E50 mixture. Now there's better ways. You could run the ethanol content sensors, either the Bluetooth one, which a lot of people like, or you could run the gauge itself. I don't have either, so this is the way I have to do it for now. But this should roughly get us E50. I'm going to switch over to the E50 tune later. But I hope this helps. If anybody had questions and was curious of how to run the E50 tune, or didn't know how, or wanted to know how to run the E50 tune from Adam at ZFG, this is one of the ways that you can do it. Hope this helps. Anyway, guys, take it easy.